For minor problems, such as ice maker turning off, the fridge will alert homeowners either on the display panel or smartphone. Using the grocery function, you can create your own shopping list, which can be sent to your smartphone. All this information is accessible via smartphone and available during grocery shopping. Smart Adapt keeps your fridge with all the latest updates. Your fridge will recommend recipes to you based on ingredients you have in your fridge. The fridge also provides services including memo, photo album, weather, news, and SNS. The world's first innovative smart Eco Door opens a smaller section of the fridge so you can easily access, still saving more in energy use.